Everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be talking about simple present exercises for beginners 1. Let's dive in. Simple present exercises for beginners 1. Exercise. Put the verb in parentheses in simple present. Answer number 1. She lives in Italy. She lives in Italy. Number 2. Where does she live? Where does she live? Number 3 answer. William stays at home at night. William stays at home at night. Number 4. Our baby always cries at night. Our baby always cries at night. Answer number 5. Linda always pays her bills on time. Linda always pays her bills on time. Number 6 answer. Windy always buys new shoes. Windy always buys new shoes. Number 7. Where do they go? Where do they go? Number 8. How often do you travel abroad? How often do you travel abroad? Number 9. Answer. Pet has two cats and a fish. Pet has two cats and a fish. Number 10. Chris enjoys good food. Chris enjoys good food. Answer number 11. He flies a plane. He flies a plane. Number 12. Miss Smith teaches math. Miss Smith teaches math. Number 13. Freddie fixes his breakfast every morning. Freddie fixes his breakfast every morning. Number 14. Paul often watches TV at night. Paul often watches TV at night. Number 15. Amanda seems serious. Amanda seems serious. Number 16, last item. Bridget speaks 6 languages. Bridget speaks 6 languages. So, this exercise ends here about simple present exercises for beginners 1.